Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Hotel New Otani Osaka. Right next to Osaka Castle Park, a beautiful urban resort hotel stands surrounded by nature. Hotel New Otani Osaka opened in 1986 in Osaka Business Park (OBP) area. Even though it is in the middle of the city, the hotel is surrounded by green trees and water that change with each season. Visitors feel like they have stepped into a different world. When you walk through the main entrance, you see a wide lobby with a high ceiling called an atrium. It lets in a lot of natural light and open space feels very welcoming. The hotel has 525 guest rooms. From the castle view room, you can see the tower of Osaka Castle up close. This view is a special beautiful history and modern city life meet in one place. The hotel also has many suites, including one room that has traditional Japanese art inside. The food at this hotel is another big attraction. There are 50 restaurants, lounges, and bars in total. They serve Japanese, Western, Chinese, and more. The tea and cocktail lounge, Satsuki Lounge, is very popular for its seasonal dessert buffets. In spring, you can enjoy strawberry sweets. In summer, mango dessert appear. In autumn, the menu changes to chestnuts and matcha. Each visit feels fresh, because the menu always reflects the season. During summer, the outdoor pool, the botanical pool, open on the fourth floor. It's surrounded by tropical plants and a view of Osaka Castle Park, so it feels like a resort. The hotel also has a spa and a fitness club, so guests can relax and enjoy their stay in many ways. Getting the hotel is easy. It is about a 3-minute walk from Osaka Jokoen Station on the JR Osaka Loop Line, or from Osaka Business Park Station on the Osaka Metro Nagahori-Tsurumi-Ryokuchi Line. The hotel is right in front of Osaka Jo Hall, and Kyoto, Nara, and Kobe are all easy day trip from here. For nearly 40 years, Hotel New Otani Osaka has welcomed guests with the same warm hospitality. It continues to shine as a touristic and elegant place to stay in Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.